Alright guys, welcome to 2020. I hope you guys are all so excited just like I am. I'm telling you guys, this year is going to be jam-packed with a bunch of stuff. Why don't we show you what it's all about? Here we go. That was kind of stupid. Let's just try something else. Let's just show you guys what it's all about, guys. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. I am so excited, guys. We're going to be putting out videos every other day. I'm not going to have a schedule of Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, whatever. It's just going to be every other day from whenever I post this video. You guys better get ready because I'm not going to miss a single day unless I end up dying. And we shouldn't joke about that. We're just going to cut out. I'm not going to miss a video. Don't even worry about it, alright, guys? I know I've said that plenty of times, but you guys are not going to have to worry about it. I really hope you guys do check out this new little background my mom made for me. Well, she didn't make it for me, she actually made it for my dad. I will have his videos linked into the bio. I don't think he has any videos up right now, but if you guys could subscribe to him, that would mean a lot to me, just because, well, he's my dad, I love him, and I want him to grow. We're going to set some goals for this year, just so I can look back at the beginning of this year and we'll see oh, that's the goal, let's see if I pass it. We're gonna be posting every other day, and I just want to be more in tune with my community. I want to build a better community. I want to build, kind of like a team of just people. I don't know what we're gonna be calling myself, what I'm gonna be calling my subscribers yet, but we are definitely going to think of something cool. Alright, well, let's talk about the other channel that I'm going to be making. So, I love business. It's one of my most favorite things in the entire world. But I only think that I'm going to be posting business videos on my main channel. I think that for scootering and other stuff like that, just because I don't really do it that much anymore, it's going to be, at this time and at this point being, we're going to kind of put that aside, put it onto my second channel. It's pretty much going to be the exact same. I'll have the link in my bio, not in my bio, in the description. Just scroll down, click it, and then click on my account. Gosh dang it, the link. So don't even worry about it, guys. I will be posting there. I will have you guys, will alert you guys every single time that something is posted there. I will just tell you guys in this video at the very beginning. So, I'll just have it up in the cards, oh, go check up here, and I'll put a card right now. Just click up there, whatever corner it's in. One of these days I'm going to figure it out, I promise. And, we're kind of just restarting everything, trying to, make better angles, make better, make it better editing, kind of just make it more, in tune with me talking to you guys, and, just make it a better video. So, I get, more audience, and, more people hear what I have to say. So that's pretty much what we have for this video, guys. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching so much. Please stay safe and healthy. Make sure to wash your hands really good. Make sure to, not be touching your face a lot, and, stay inside, guys. Make sure to stay safe. And you remember, guys, I love you. Have an amazing day, and let's roll the new outro, guys. Alright, see ya.